everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Anastasia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now let's talk about the products. First one up is from Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This one I have is just a little tiny, really tiny sample size 0.06 ounce.
Yeah, tiny.
The usual size is actually 0.23 ounces, and they do have a mini which is 0.11 ounce. It will last you around 6 months. The original size is $24 and the mini size is just $14. Both sizes can be found at Benefit's website, also Ulta Beauty and Sephora. It is a clear brow gel that, of course, should last you up to 24 hours flake-free. Wow. It will tame and shape your wild brows. Also, what's pretty awesome about this is that the wand is a dual-sided wand, so you have long hairs and short hairs. And if you're using it on top of makeup, it should be able to lock your brows so they won't disappear. Interesting. It is, of course, easy to apply, and it should give you a very strong hold and has an invisible finish, but still allows the flexibility with your hairs to be controlled and moved and, you know, shaped the way you want it. What it has in it is butylene glycol, alcohol, which it definitely does give off that strong alcohol smell. And it also has acrylates copolymer, which is an adhesive. And last, it has Gossypium herbaceum, which is just cotton. So, to demonstrate, you want to use the long hairs, oh my, to coat the brows. Okay, so I'm going to do one brow, probably the one with the most hair. I try to let it grow as much as I can for this video, but I like to pluck. Okay, so long hairs to coat, the short hairs to shape. Probably shape them up here. Oh nice, it does grab them pretty good. Wonderful. And what's great about this is that it also has little tiny hairs or bristles on the tip part, so you can use it right there on the tip and just define that one. There we go, like that. Cool. Next one up is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This one is the mini size 0.085 ounce, and the original regular size is 0.26 ounce. This one should cost around $9, and the only place I found it is at Sephora. And the regular size one is $22 and can be found at Ulta Beauty, Anastasia, BeverlyHills.com, of course, and Sephora.com. What's pretty funny about this, they might have changed it already, but this one, it says 6 months here, and then on the box it says 12 months. So I would just go with the 6 months just in case. Of course, this brand is vegan and cruelty free, so that is great for this little guy. And it is also supposed to be light feeling on your brows. It does mention that if you use it with makeup, it's supposed to set the color as well, and of course used to shape the brows. It does come with a brush instead of bristles, so this brush is definitely supposed to put the right amount onto your eyebrows so it's not too much, not overflowing, dripping on your face, and that of course makes it a little bit more manageable, easy to control. The formula on this is of course colorless, and it is supposed to give you a clean, polished feeling without you, your brows stiffing up like this, all hard. It is able to dry without any residue, which will give you a fuller and moisturized or hydrated look, because obviously when you dry and then there's no flakes or residue, so it should be hydrated, right? So Hydration is key. Also has soothing chamomile to condition the hair. So because it has chamomilla ricutata flower extract, it will smell like alcohol and that flowery extract together, which gives it interesting smell. Also has VP/VA copolymer. That is like free flowing powder, I guess. More like a hairspray hold. And last ingredient is a propylparaben. Yeah. Okay, with this guy, you want to use short strokes like this. See that? See what I'm doing? And at least up to 5 or 6 strokes if you want to count. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, maybe a few more there, and 5. Probably putting too much now. Okay. And 5. This should give me a volumizing effect. Not that I have a lot of hair to volumize, but you could try. And Anastasia does recommend that if you are going to use it with makeup, you want to do it after the makeup brow application. So it should be the last step with your brows. Okay, everyone, here we go. Hitting my knuckles. And whoop! Benefit 83% and Anastasia 17%. Woo woo! Congratulations, Benefit. You are the winner. Everybody loves you. I definitely love the bristles. Those are fun to play with. I like that the long ones kind of just help put it on there, and then you got the short ones, which is nice. It really does grab onto the brow hairs. Separates them very nicely too. And as I mentioned before, this is the clear one. I have seen that they do have tinted ones. I think they're called Gimme Brows, something like that. But this is the clear one. So be careful when you purchase out there in the world. So now it's your turn. Tell me if you have a favorite one, whether it is Benefit or Anastasia, and let me know. This is a little hint right here, you guys. So go ahead and comment below and tell me which one is your favorite, and you could get featured in next week's videos. This week we do have a couple of features I would like to tell you guys, and feature them right here, under here. This one right here. This area. Yeah, okay. First one up, we have Life is Like a Box of Chocolates. And she is commenting on the video where I had JLo and Fenty go up against each other. So if you'd like to check that one out, right here. She says Fenty is expensive, but it is really good. And I definitely agree on that. If it is worth the money, why not put it in? If it is not, you don't have to buy it. It is okay. I am sure Fenty will be fine if you skip expensive items. I know we have to all stay home right now, but if you do want something worth to wash your face with, $25 is not bad. Fenty is pretty good, so go check it out. Now that moves us into the next people I would like to feature, and yes, I said people because both of them, Roxy Hearts with 2 S's and Molly Lost in Makeup, both have mentioned that they really want to try Fenty. So ladies, go out and get it. Roxy mentioned that she has always wanted to try Fenty Beauty, and she will go out and try it after the video, which, wow, thanks, yeah, that's great. And Molly says, I have always wanted to try any of Fenty's products. After watching this, it makes me want to try it out more. Yeah, go ahead, try it out. I know it took me a long time to try Fenty Beauty. I have no idea. I think it was the money as well. For a while, I was definitely only buying things that, well, I mean, I'm still doing it actually. I like getting sample stuff to try it out. So my first Fenty product was a sample item. You got to try like 2 or 3 foundations that you got for free. They were like on a, you know, like one of those mailed envelope things, and I tried it out there. So I should probably buy an actual foundation. Don't be afraid. If you can do it, go for it. Then last we have MJ the Gray. She says Thank you for doing this review. I love that two queens, Riri and JLo, are coming up with skincare. Based on the ingredients list, I feel like Fenty put a lot more love and detail in the creation of the cleanser. Great comparison video.
Yeah.
I definitely wanted to mention this as well. I'm not sure if I did that in the video, but yes, Fenty on their website, they do have a logo next to their other, where it shows cruelty-free or items like that. It has a logo that says clean, so it is supposed to be part of the clean beauty area in Sephora. Now, the clean beauty is a very loose term. It does, allow some ingredients to be on there. There is definitely a broad spectrum of what can be in clean beauty and what cannot be in clean beauty, but yes, the ingredients are considered clean beauty in Fenty skincare. It was very awesome and a fun time to compare them. I was just very curious on how they were, and why not compare the two queens, Alright, thank you all for commenting. That would be it. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.